I want to quit. This is me. And for most of my trading journey, I would say I've been delusionally optimistic, all the while stubbornly repeating the same mistakes over and over again. That is, until I hit rock bottom. At some point, you got to look at your situation and think, hey, I've lost all this money. I've worked so hard and I have nothing to show for it. Maybe this trading thing's not for me. Like the time I lost $92,000 in a single day. I was so depressed I couldn't tell my wife. What am I going to do? Or the time I racked up a bunch of credit card debt taking prop firm challenges. When you've come so close you can taste it. When you put in the sweat, the toil, the late nights, amass all the necessary skills it takes to become a professional trader. Are you really going to quit on the 1 yard line? The answer is no. Fuck no. And as someone who's on the other side of consistent profitability, let me tell you this. No, come closer, because this is important. You absolutely can do this. It's not magic, it's not luck. All you need is a system with a positive expectancy that's profitable over the course of 10, 20, 30, 40 trades. Forget about your short-term results and focus on being consistent. That's number one. Second, you need to consistently risk 1 to 2%. Now, I didn't want to hear this and I resisted for a long time, but that'll help you get through the rough patches. Trust me on this one. Risk low, take the emotions out of it. And that's the game in a nutshell. Listen, everyone wants to lose weight and get in better shape, but it's not a mystery as to how you do this. Eat less and move around more. Work out, don't eat a bunch of crap. Trading is not that different. You can stick to a diet, you can stick to this. You don't need a secret strategy. There's a ton of them on YouTube that'll work well enough. You need an easy to follow, repeatable routine that you can show up and execute flawlessly day after day after day. This might seem boring to some, but I trade the same strategy at the same type of day with the same risk every time I come to the markets. I used to be so frustrated with myself because I knew what I had to do, but I couldn't stick to it. I was willing to do anything to get ahead, even if that meant breaking my rules. I was so fed up with myself, I made a goal of being perfectly compliant with my system for a single day. Whether I won or lost, if I made that day, that was a win. And that was when things started to turn around for me. If I can make it one day, I can make it 2. And then a week, and then a month. Then I tried to break that record every single day. Because winning wasn't a matter of P&L, dollars won or lost, but how long I could stick to my strategy. That was the bar. Let me ask you this. What would your results look like if you were perfectly compliant with your strategy for an entire month? It's time to stop making excuses. Stop feeling sorry for yourself. Stop gambling. Trading is a business. It's about time you started treating it like one. Listen, if I can do it, you can too. It's time to get off that boom and bust roller coaster. That coaster sucks. You don't want that. Stop disappointing yourself and do what you need to do now. Listen, everyone struggles in the beginning. Everyone has bad breaks. Everyone loses money. The difference between the 99% who struggle and the 1% who make it, the 1% get back up.
JC Trader Life.